Everybody wants to know where mortgage rates are going, what house prices are going to do. But let me let you in on a little secret. Nobody knows. On this video, I'm going to give you some things that you can implement if you're looking to get on the housing ladder so that when it hits your sweet spot, you're able to reach out to your team and pull the trigger. Let's get into it. The 10-year note is a great benchmark that lenders base their mortgage rates on a daily basis. If you want to track where rates are going, the 10-year Treasury note is where it's at. Market Watch is the website that I adhere to on a daily basis. Here's the deal. Anything south of 4% as far as the note rate is concerned bodes well for mortgage rates. If you've noticed over the last week to 10 days, you've probably heard that mortgage rates have been coming down. This is the indicator, the canary in the coal mine that I adhere to let my folks know quickly what's going to happen. Now, disclaimer, it's not a one-to-one correlation that lenders are going to use to price the mortgage rates on a daily basis, but this is a great indicator of where mortgage trends are going. The next thing I would look to is the U.S. economic calendar. These are reports that come out on a weekly basis, something that you can follow yourself, not just for this potential home purchase or refinance, but to become more educated. I find that once you educate yourself, you'll find that a lot of things that are put out on the internet and some of these social media streets are just done so to drive views. Some of the reports that you want to look for are the CPI, PCI reports as far as inflation that we've all been watching over the last 3 or 4 years. Specifically, one that's coming up this week, the Home Builder Confidence Index. Anytime this number is north of 45 or close to 50, it bodes well for home builders. So this is one that I look at. Great canary in the coal mine to help you understand where rates and the economy are going. Building permits, not so much for you all. That's something that I look at. But anytime Fed Chair Powell speaks, that's a market mover. Okay. Anytime he speaks, you want to watch the market if you're trying to watch what's going on. And then I say the last one is anything that's going to deal with employment or unemployment. So the initial jobless claims, you want to keep your ear to the street on because those things are going to affect this 10-year, which anything under 4.5 is good. Now, let me say this. I'm not saying rates are going back to 2-3%, but there's opportunities to get on the property ladder. Okay. So use your eyes, guys. Look around in your local market. That's the key. Are folks laying off? Are people being hired? Everything is local. Hear what's being said on a national level, but you always got to drill down to the local level. Lastly, you take all of these tools and you can use something like Zillow. For those of you who are not ready to reach out to a lending professional or a realtor, you're just doing your own research, drill down to the local neighborhood where you want to buy. If you want to learn how to do that, you can watch this video right up here. Did a video showing you guys how to use AI before you reach out to a realtor or a lender to say, hey, I'm ready to start shopping. But you take all of these tools that we just talked about, and then you drill down locally to see what sales prices really are. Again, you don't live nationally. For those of you who really want to buy because of lifestyle changes or whatever reason, and you just don't know how to move forward, looking at these tools will help you make a logical decision and not an emotional one, keeping you on the sideline. At some point in time, you got to pull the trigger. And in order to do so, you have to educate yourself, study to show yourself approved. Look at the area that you're looking to buy in, drill down and see what the local economy is doing. Because all real estate and economies are local. And so there you have it. Just some tools for you to use to empower you to make the best decision for you and your family. For those of you that don't know, my name is Robert Lewis, and we specialize in simplifying the home loan process. If you're ready to move forward and you want to find out about some down payment assistance programs in the state of Texas, watch this video over here. If you're not in Texas, but you still want to find out about some DPA programs more nationally, watch this video right here. We'll talk to you guys soon.